Feeling stiff, tired, or just need to unwind? Let's talk about the magic of massage, one body part at a time. Start with your temples. Gentle circular motions ease headaches and boost circulation. Do you have stiff neck? A deep thumb press along the base of your skull can work wonders. Carry stress in your shoulders. Squeeze and release it for instant relief. For your back. Slow, deep strokes along the muscles help melt tension away. Feet sore. Pressing the arch of your foot stimulates energy flow and soothes pain. Texting too much. A quick palm rub and finger stretch keeps your hands relaxed. Massage isn't just relaxing. It's a healing tool. Try these tips today and your body will thank you. Like and follow for more wellness tips. Media library www.freepik.com/free-video